If you have a website, whether you're a business, a publisher, or an independent creator, or if you make websites, you should know that around 82% of traffic on the web arrives at websites via keyword based search engines. Mostly Google, but also Bing and its competitors. And this is based on extremely recent data published in March 2024. So, if you want to show up for all those people who are using search to find content like yours, you have to understand the language that they're using to search. Because if you know the words and phrases that they're using to search, you can develop and craft content to meet their needs. You can understand the questions they would never take the time to ask out loud or be too embarrassed to ask in person, and explore the topics where they really want to dig deep and create the resources that no other business but yours is really positioned to deliver. Here's the thing about keyword research. We humans use search engines so often as an extension of our brain, they've become such a crutch in our information seeking behavior that most of us don't really take note of what we type into a search bar. So if someone were to ask us, like in a focus group, we wouldn't necessarily be able to answer truthfully or holistically about how we found that content. But looking at the raw data that people use to research content is really the key to creating content that search engine algorithms can find. Search engine recommender algorithms rely on that actual human powered data entry to serve audiences the content that they're looking for. When we research keywords, we're merely using the same data set that search engine algorithms use to organize and recommend content. So that's why we use the raw data of how people actually search, really digging into what's called the long tail of our topic areas. We then use that to creatively and not formulaically structure our content to match what we're able to offer with what our audiences want. My name is Deborah Carver. I have been researching keywords for 10 years for publishers, for businesses, for content marketers. And my new course, More Than Keywords, Audience Research for Brilliant Business Building Content, will teach you all about the techniques and methodologies I've developed while researching keywords for over a decade with clients in more than 40 different industry verticals. You'll understand not only how to conduct keyword research, but also how to use it creatively to make content better. Whether you're an independent creator, a content strategist at a brand or an agency, a content marketer, a brand marketer, content designer, audience editor, or anyone at all who publishes content online, you'll have one more tool in your toolkit to help your clients or yourself build better, more findable content. You can get started today with More Than Keywords at keyword.school. Let's get started in understanding your audiences just a little bit better.